Hello, today I will show you how to make next two rounds of a blooming joy blanket. Okay, so this round 54, so slip knot, and now round 54. So here we have at the corners we have half double crochet on both sides and 7 double crochet in the middle on this and this chain. And here is the last our chain where we have half double crochet, 3 double crochet and one more half double crochet. So we need to start our round with a standing back post single crochet around second double crochet of last 3 double crochet group. So this is our last group because next group is 7 double crochet. So back post single crochet around second double crochet like this. Okay, and now the repeat for this round is chain 3, 1 2 3, skip next 5 stitches. So double crochet, half double crochet, front post single crochet, half double crochet and first double crochet and back post single crochet around next 5. 1 2 3 4 5. Chain 4, 1 2 3 4. This is your corner chain 4 space. And now skip next 5 stitches. So double crochet, half double crochet, front post single crochet, half double crochet and double crochet, and back post single crochet around next 5 stitches. 1 2 oops. Okay, 2 3 4 and 5 like this corner part. And now the short repeat for this round, which we need to continue 38 times, is chain 3, 1 2 3, oops, skip next 5 stitches. So double crochet, half double crochet, front post single crochet, half double crochet and double crochet, and back post single crochet around next stitch. So next stitch is our second double crochet. So short repeat is chain 3, skip next 5, back post single crochet around next stitch. You don't need to count these 5 stitches. Your back post single crochet always falls around second double crochet of 3 double crochet group. So the stitch which is in the middle of all stitches made in same chain space. So one more time, chain 3 and back post single crochet around second double crochet, chain 3 and back post single crochet around second double crochet, back post single crochet around second double crochet. So repeat this repeat 38 times, and the last one back post single crochet will fall around second double crochet of last 3 double crochet group. Okay, I will do all this repeats and I will join you. Okay, so I am at the end of this side and back post single crochet around second double crochet of last 3 double crochet group, and this is your repeat for this round. Really easy, and we are exactly in the same stitch where we started our round. Then goes half double crochet, 7 double crochet and half double crochet, just like here. Okay, so repeat around, and I will meet you at the end of this round to show how to finish it. Okay, so this last chain free space, and now I need to join to my standing back post single crochet with a slip stitch like this, and round 54 is done. Our side looks like this corner. Okay, let's start and do round 55. So chain 1, this chain 1 doesn't count as any stitch. Front post single crochet around same stitch, so around same back post single crochet, front post single crochet. And now we repeat for this round is in chain free space, free single crochet, 1 2 3, single crochet in next 2 stitches, 1 2, skip next 3 stitches, so 1 2 3, last 3 back post single crochet, and in corner chain 4 space, cluster of 2 treble crochet, chain 3, cluster of 3 treble crochet, chain 3, one more cluster of 3 treble crochet, 2 3, chain 3, and one more cluster of 3 treble crochet, 1 2 3, like this, chain 3, and cluster of 2 treble crochet, 1 2. So in corner chain 4 space, cluster of 2 treble crochet, chain 3, cluster of 3 treble crochet, chain 3, cluster of 3 treble crochet, chain 3, cluster of 3 treble crochet, chain 3, and cluster of 2 treble crochet. So 5 clusters with chain 3 space in between. Skip next 3 stitches, 1 2 3, single crochet next 2. Okay, this is your corner part, and now show repeat for the side of this round. In chain free space, 3 single crochet, 1 2 3, front post single crochet around next stitch, and this is your short repeat, 3 single crochet in chain 3, front post single crochet around back post single crochet. So 3 single crochet in chain free space, front post single crochet around next stitch. Really easy repeat, and you need this short repeat to do 38 times, and the last one back post single crochet will fall, front post single crochet will fall around this back post single crochet made around last second double crochet of last 3 double crochet group, so just before corner part, so around this one. Okay, I will do all this 38 short repeats and will join you. And my last back post front post single crochet, so still one chain free space before this group of 5 back post single crochet, the corner, and this is how the side looks like. So this your repeat for this round. You need to do it 4 times in total, so 3 more times, and we now are in exactly the same space. So this your front post, last front post single crochet of the side, and we are exactly here. So now 3 single crochet in chain 3, 2 single crochet in 2, and skip 3 and clusters with chain 3 space in between. So repeat it around, and I will meet you at the end of this round to show how to finish it. So my last 3 single crochet in the last chain 3 space, and now I need to join to first single crochet with a slip stitch. So this is our first single crochet and slip stitch, and round 55 is done. Next round will be in the same color, so don't cut your yarn. Corners looks like this. Okay, so that's all for today. See you in the next video. Bye.